Assalamu alaikum, all the beautiful faces out there. It's our second day in Kashmir, but yesterday it was the first day which I couldn't show you anything because we were literally traveling from all the places, and we have finally reached our this thing hotel, and with the beautiful view, I tell you. Let me just show you. Just a sec. See, in front of the Del Lake, it's amazing. I would just show you all the view without any too much clothing. You seriously can't even step out. The only challenge in your life is to visit Kashmir by this time, I tell you. Yeah, it's amazingly beautiful, I tell you. Temperature has gotten to minus, and without you wearing proper clothing, you seriously can't step out. uh, Yesterday the whole day went out until we got settled down in the hotel, and today we are just planning to go to Gulmarg. We have our gondola ride which has been already booked. In my whole life I've never paired up clothes like this. It's like I'm wearing 4 layers, actually 4 layers, and without this beanie, without hand gloves, I seriously can't think of stepping out. So I will just show you everything. So stay tuned, guys. In front of the Dal Lake we have our room. Yasin and I, we are leaving now. Hopefully we go to Sonmarg, Lake Gulmarg today for gondola ride. I'll show you all the glimpse there. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum again, because we have just got out of our hotel. So this was our hotel in front of the Dal Lake, and that was beautiful. And I would show you some glimpse of Dal Lake also going forward, inshallah. People tell you that Kashmir is the heaven, a piece of heaven on the earth, and that is actually true, I tell you. And it's gonna be beautiful. Stay tuned. Today we are leading up for a Assalamu alaikum. So let's go to Sonmarg, Gulmarg. So today we are going to Gulmarg, and also we heard that this thing Dal Lake has become frozen, but it's actually not true. I don't know, maybe because of a little lighter note for today, I guess, or else it might be frozen. And today it's our second day in the morning, so I'll show you all the glimpse. So stay tuned, guys. This is a beautiful Dal Lake, guys. And also we had a hotel there, so it's completely fine. And it was mesmerizing view, and it's in minus degrees, I tell you. And it's beautiful, crazy. And we have our Shikara ride, all these things on Saturday. Allah Hifazat. I don't know how will I survive here. We have just reached to Gulmarg. We have a gondola ride. I actually fell down twice as soon as I entered because of my shoes that I was wearing weren't supporting to the snow here. So I literally fell down twice. But they holded me and took me to the shop, and I finally have taken this big shoes. Let's see how it's gonna be, and I'm very scared. But it's very exciting, yeah. I would just show you all of the glimpse.
मेरा इधर तीसरा बार है
If at all you are a first timer, you'll be literally looted here, I tell you. You just have to act in such a way that you have come very often here to this place, and you know all the prices for all these kind of rides and everything. Okay? If you tell it, or else they'll simply take your money off. Just make sure, just tell them that you have visited this place multiple times. Just see the example here. He's just trying to loot us. But I have a friend who is experienced, and he has such a knowledge on all these. So he's managing all these stuff, and I'm just managing vlogs for you guys. Stay tuned for everything. I'll just show you all the glimpse. But it's beautiful, yeah. Seriously beautiful. Once in a lifetime experience, I tell you. You guys have to visit. Oh, अगर सच्ची फर्स्ट टाइम आया तो गया आंखें बोले ओ लब पे I know Kashmir is heaven, a piece of heaven on earth. You just make sure whenever you're coming, come with the proper preparations, or else you'll simply face too many issues here. I tell you, let it be your clothing, गिरेंगे वहाँ जाकर गिरेंगे ऊपर It's a fresh snow that has fallen yesterday. No, thank you. But I'm badly missing other two friends of mine. Yeah, even they would have joined us. That was the plan actually, to come with all of us, like all the four. But that's okay. Inshallah, next time with even them too. Yeah? We have finally reached the gondola spot. From here, we're going to be taking phase 1 gondola. And let's see how the experience is going to be. डर भी हो रहा है, एक्साइटमेंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, और देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह कैसा रहता है. एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो बहुत ज़्यादा है ही है, ठंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा है जी. आई डोंट नो हाउ विल आई डू इट, हाउ विल वी डू इट. इट्स गोना बी अ लिट एक्सपीरियंस आई गेस. लेट्स सी. This is the beautiful spot of gondola, when just make sure that you're pre-booking it before coming a month or 2 months back, or else if you come at the same spot and book it, it's gonna be very expensive for you. I tell you, it's gonna be 3 times more than the value. Look at the line for gondola, guys. Oof. I don't know when will our turn come. Yeah, we just have to wait. I think it will take another 2-3 hours, I guess. Finally landed in phase 2 of gondola. Look at this beauty, guys. Finally reached the phase 2 of gondola ride. Look at the view at the back. And I would show you the phase 1 also, wherein people would travel. And we have just landed at phase 2, and we're not going to travel for phase 1. Usually people take phase 1 when you don't have a snow in phase 2. But we have it plenty here. So we're not going to go to phase 1. Just let me just enjoy, breathe a little, and then let me just show you all the glimpse of this. Finally, it's amazing. It's the first time. Let me see how the snow. We have just seen it plenty of time in the fridge and all, but yeah, for the first time trying it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's beautiful. It's as same as the one that we've seen it. It's beautiful. Right. I know the things are very expensive. Coming to this view, no issues. Yeah, people should seriously pull in money here, and you don't have to look it for money for whatever things that you buy and what all things that you do it, because people are getting things onto the top and serving you. So just make sure you don't see any money while you're spending onto these kind of spots, because people have that as their revenue, right? So yeah, let's do it. But look at the view, it's beautiful.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं.
It's beautiful. Welcome to Kashmir. The struggle is actually real, because it looks very easy for walk on the snow, but it's not. And also, but it's love, yeah. If I just have to recommend you guys to come one place in winter, they're gonna be this place. And I hope Even Yasin agrees for this, and we are just loving it to the max. And we just did the skiing and also gondola. We just came up, and oh, it's love. I don't know where is the end for this beauty. There was one reel which I felt like saying, taking some snow from here to the people who can't afford it. I want to tell this to my friends who didn't agree to come with us, and I hope they regret seeing this. But it's amazing. Inshallah, next time we will just get them also, right? Inshallah. But it's beautiful, mashallah, tabarakallah. Oof. Just look at the view. Now finally we have to do our photo shoot, wherein we are wearing 3 layers, and inside this we have upper jacket and everything. So we're just gonna take our jackets off and do a photo shoot with the beautiful view that we have it. Stay tuned, we would show you that also. The struggle is real. Look at this, we are unable to walk. It's that height. I don't know how deep it is. But all we are just putting our legs. It's going almost half a feet or 1 to 1.5 feet in. Oh my god. It's seriously filling in. The hardest struggle is like snow is filled in my boots and I'm unable to walk. It's literally frozen and like my legs are not moving. But the actual struggle is this. But we badly want to go to the top, walk up until the top, and we are just doing a trek. And let's see, inshallah, until where can we reach and click some good pictures. Stay tuned, guys.
इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा, अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे। कर बेरंगी शामें हुड़दंगी मस्त मलंगी यारा, अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे, अतरंगी रे।
Maggie and the mountains go with the sink. I'm just loving the view. Let me just show you this. Oh, it's love. It's love. Stay tuned. Let me just finish this, and we just have a gondola ride back to the spot. So after that, we're gonna be completing a Gulmarg journey. So I hope you guys loved it, and I'll try to post some pictures that I've clicked from this view. And stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Hopefully tomorrow we are going for Sonmarg, and I'll show you the Sonmarg properly, like every single glimpse of it. It's a love. It's a love. Just that you need to have a tolerance, and also you need to be patient enough to see everything, and also to digest the beauty here, I tell you. So overall, great experience. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
है अपना दिल तो आवारा, ना जाने किस पे आएगा।